Today we are going to change the horn of my city. As you can see, these are not working anymore. Maybe there is a problem in the coil of the horn. So I'm going to open the front bumper because the horns are present below the bumper. So without opening the bumper we cannot access the horn properly. So I'm going to open the horn. This will be a guide to how you can open your bumper in case you want to do something, and also you can change your horns. Although the horns that are present in this Honda are very low sounding, so I'm going to install horns from either Bosch or Hella. I will check whether the horn that are already present, if they are alright or not, and if not, I'm going to change it. So let's get into the video. First we need to open all the clips that are present over here. Then we need to remove the screw that is present over here. As you can see, there is a screw. Yeah, there is a screw, and you have to remove the screw. Then all these clips, and also the screw that is present, and then we can easily unclip the bumper from here. To open the bumper clips, we have to put our screw like this, screwdriver, and it will pop. Same with this one. Like this, we are going to remove all the screws. So we have removed all the clips from the trim. Now now you can remove these things, and here you can see we don't need to open this one, but if you want to clean this one, then you can open this and you can take it out. All we need to do is just open these clips. So you can see this one already came loose. Now we need to open the screws at this side. Now we have to open the clips that are present below the bumper. Here one, then here you can see all the clips here, and similarly that side. We have to clear all these, open all these here. So after opening all the clips, you can just pull it out from here. It will open. Similarly that side, and you can just wiggle it and it will open. So as you can see, here is one horn and here is the other horn. We can open it with this nut, and we can open that one with that nut. Now here is a proprietary connector of Honda. My goal is not to cut this one, but to use it in a way so that we can keep this connector and install the new horns. So I have brought these horns from my local store, and they really sounded good. I will provide a link to the good horns that you can buy for your car. So here you can see that I have added
wire and connected to the body of the horn. This is because the Honda connector has only one point, that is the positive, and the ground goes to the body of the car. So to make that happen, I have done it like this. Next, we need to connect the connector to the positive or the red wire, and then we can insert it on the other pin of the horn, and the other side we will wind it and make a pin-like structure out of it so that we can insert it in the connector of the car. See, here is the connector, and that point is where we need to insert it. So here is the wire, and I have inserted it, and now we need to wrap some electrical tape so that water or any jerk might not lead them to open. This is how we are going to connect it and wrap it around with electrical tape.
On.
Here you can see I have closed the bumper and installed all the clips, and you can see there is no bumper gap as expected. So I'm really happy with the fittings of the bumper. So this is the response of the horn. As you can see, they are like Creta horns, and I'm happy with the result. So this is all for the video today. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye.